In a faraway land, there was a small kingdom ruled by a kind and wise king named Raja. Though he dedicated his life to the well-being of his people, they often failed to recognize his efforts. Whispers of discontent spread among them, as they believed the king did little while they bore all the hard work. Little did they know, their perspective was about to change. The king does nothing for us. It's our hard work that keeps the kingdom running. Hearing this, Raja decided to teach them a lesson. He announced, "For 1 week, I will step down, and the people will govern themselves. Let everyone decide how the kingdom should run." At first, the people celebrated. They made their own rules, worked less, and enjoyed the freedom. But soon, farms were neglected, markets ran out of supplies, and disputes spread across the land. Without a leader to guide them, the kingdom fell into chaos. Realizing their mistake, the people went to Raja and begged him to return. "We were wrong, Your Majesty," they said. "You have always worked for us, and we didn't see it. Please take charge again." Raja returned to the throne and restored order to the kingdom. He smiled and said, "Leadership is not about praise but about serving others. Remember, a kingdom prospers only when its people and their leader work together." And so, the people learned a valuable lesson: leadership is not always visible, but it is essential. King Raja's quiet efforts had always been the foundation of their prosperity. From that day forward, they worked together with their king, appreciating both his guidance and their own contributions. The kingdom thrived, united by the wisdom of understanding and the strength of unity. Unity and leadership are the pillars of a prosperous kingdom.